Alright, hey guys, we're out in the shop today. It's a little bit nipply. Brad got out here and got some heat going while I was inside. Chris has been sick all week, so he hasn't been out here, so it hasn't been warm when he gets out here. So anyway, Brad is currently working on the cockpit. Plans for tonight is to try to get some more of the cockpit done. You can see what he's already gotten done so far. So that's what is on the agenda. So if you guys haven't watched our last video, go watch it. Brad talks about our wish list. We had a couple of people reach out and want us to post the link to our wish list again. So we have done that. That will be below here in the description. You can find that there. Let's see. Also, we're in a deadline crunch. March 7th is practice at Talladega Short Track, and we are hoping to make it because this car definitely needs to be shook down. Considering it's brand new, we need to do a practice run before we go out and try to race it. So that's the plan. Got a lot of work to do. 31 days. 30 days until it's time. Let's see if we can make it. Y'all tell us if you think we can, or if we can't, or if we're crazy for even trying, or tell us what you think. But anyway, so that's what we're gonna work on tonight. I'll pick up the video camera in just a minute whenever he gets some more stuff done, but for the meantime, that's what's going on. Huh? All right, let's put a microphone on, Brad. What do y'all say? So y'all can hear how well we work together. Here's your microphone, sir. Cheers. I was about to say, you were about to use the magnet. All right. Get my camera off here. All right. So that was a rough experience. Getting pelted by my metal. I've probably still got it all over my head and everything else. So yeah. Brad's got to settle for my help tonight because he ain't got his dad. I know that makes him real excited on it.
Flipping out over there like it was wrong.
It was like it was hurting for real.
Don't you think it was gonna feel good?
Well, I mean, I wasn't expecting it to hit me like that. I mean, I fully expected to kind of have them on just in case.
Pretty close-ish.
I still don't know what you're trying to accomplish.
All right. So now, I think it's 13 and a half.
All right, guys, so I don't have a mic on right now. Put that on in a minute, but I'm just gonna show you what we've been doing.
Baby. Oh, never mind.
I got it unplugged.
Okay.
Are you happy with it?
What?
Yeah, so far.
No. Not at all.
Is he ever happy? Who knows? Anyway, let's get back to work.
Hi guys. So Dallas had to run in, feed Bubba. So she's inside. It's kind of late. It's getting a little cold outside right now. It's getting cold in here. I've got the front firewall pretty much done. I got that side kicker piece there where the gas pedal mounts. It's pretty well done. I guess it's got that piece clecoed in. I really don't have this one clecoed in yet. I got to do some trimming down there in the bottom corner down there to get it to fit a little bit better. But those are two pretty important parts right there. I'm glad to have them done, glad to have them out of the way. I'll probably come down here tomorrow and work on this, the area of the side panel right here, and then start working my way back to the back of the car to finish up the tub area, the cockpit area. Once I get that done, then I'll start moving on to the deck metal. Try to get some deck metal pieces knocked out and get that situated. And you know, the biggest thing is going to be sheet metal work. Getting that sheet metal work out of the way, getting it done. That's going to be a big deal right there. Because I really, to be honest with you, I don't really like doing sheet metal work. Not tubs and deck areas. I don't do them enough to really be good at them, I guess you could say. So it's taking me longer than I would like. Obviously, that's a lot of thinking, a lot of measuring, remeasuring, slowly bending to make sure I'm doing it right and everything. So like I said, it's just not my favorite thing to do, but nonetheless, it's got to be done. That's going to end us up tonight. I'm not going to worry about doing no ending video. I'll probably just pick it back up tomorrow, or once I get back down here in the morning, get started, and we'll go from there. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
All right, hey guys. So I've been out gallivanting today.
I know.
Huh?
I did not do an ending video last night, and I have not done any videoing today.
Okay.
I did tell them that we would just continue the video.
Okay. So Brad didn't do any video, didn't do any videoing today, and I've been out gallivanting. I've been here for just a little bit, so we're gonna catch you guys up on where we're at. So you seen yesterday, the last time we videoed, we were working on the cockpit, the tub here, and it looks like, so he's done with this thick stuff, the stuff that's extremely hard to work with. Now he's working with just regular sheet metal, so it's a little bit easier to work with. You can see he's just got it all cleat-coated in there until he gets it finished up. So that's where we currently are with everything. The plan is hopefully to have the cockpit done and hopefully have most of the decking done. If we can have all the decking done, that'd be great. That's the plan for this weekend, to try to get all that done. The decking and the cockpit is obviously the most tedious part of the sheet metal stuff. Putting on sides, there isn't a whole lot to that, but to be able to put on sides, you got to get it on wheels, or you got to get it put together. You got to get wheels and tires on it and the whole 9 yards to know where everything's going to be. So you can't really do the sides right now anyway. So a lot of words. I probably didn't say a whole lot, but you know. All right.
See that? I lost the scribe. I can't find it.
Imagine that. All right. So that's what's going on. That's where he's at right now. I'm gonna run inside and check on the kiddos. Brad's mom's got them in there. Go check on them, and then we'll be back out here, and I'll do some more video in just a little bit. All right, guys. So we're back out here. We went and ate supper. We didn't go get supper. We went and ate supper at the house. Ate good old hot dogs. But anyway, I don't know what Chris done while we were gone, but he stuffed the heater, and it's 78 degrees in here. So you won't see me in short sleeve shirts out here this time of year very often, but right now it's toasty. Brad thinks it feels good though, weirdly enough. I don't really know what's going on with him. But anyway, so this is where we are, or where he is. I didn't do anything. This is not a we project. Hey, I held this stuff last night. I got video evidence of that. All right, so that's where everything's at. Just one more piece and he'll be finished with the cockpit, and then he can start to work on the deck like we originally said. That's the plan for this weekend. Like I said, the cockpit and the deck. If he can get that done, then we'll be doing good. So anyway, that's where we are.
All right, guys, so Dice done went in the house for tonight. I think Briar got hungry, if I'm not mistaken, but it's been a long day. I've been out here pretty much all day. I got a lot done. Cockpit tub area is pretty much done. Got one piece, got the main piece of the rear deck panel back there done. Got the strings lined out for those next pieces of the deck metal there. That'll be another day project, but you can see there, got all the, we did get the brake pedals, clutch pedal installed today. Got all the tub done. That's a huge step because, like I said in the video, I think last night or the night before last something, sheet metal is not my strong point. It's not something I really enjoy doing, but I do it. Just, I'll be honest with you, it crossed my mind to send it off to somebody, to let somebody that knows what they're doing do all this. But I knew like that would be kind of going against what the whole point of doing this was, is showing that you can do all this stuff yourself. You can still do it in your backyard, in your shop with your family. So that's the only reason I didn't. So some of my cuts are not perfect. The bends aren't perfect. It's took me a little while to do it because I've had to bend a piece and straighten it back out and rebend it and hope it didn't break. So, you know, like I said, it's not perfect, but that's okay. It's my car, so I ain't got to worry about pleasing nobody else. But nonetheless, that's a major step. It's completed. It's done. Nothing's pop riveted. It's just clecoed together. Like I said, we're going to finish the deck metal up, get everything back out of it, get all the sheet metal took out of it. And then finish up welding, finish up painting it, getting everything situated there. If I could have the deck metal done by this weekend, that March the 7th deadline could very well possibly be a reality. I'm not saying that it is, but I appreciate everybody's feedback on that. Like I said, nobody worry about it. You know, we're not going to rush this thing just to make it to a certain date, but if I can have it done for that date, then yes, I'm going to do the best that I can. But not gonna rush anything. Not gonna try to compromise anything that I'm trying to do. So, but nonetheless, we're gonna give it our best shot. We're gonna try and just see where we're at. It's just kind of a goal, kind of a deadline, something to shoot for, and we'll see how it goes. But that's going to wrap us up for tonight. I'll probably be back down here tomorrow for just a little bit. I know I'm not going to be down here nowhere near as long as I was today. So I'll probably just leave this video where it's at and pick up in the morning. Won't necessarily worry about an ending video. But if you hadn't from the last video, we did talk about our Amazon wish list. There was people reaching out to us saying, hey, why hadn't you done your wish list like you've done in the past? This would be a great time to do it. So we did go back through Amazon and set up the wish list and just added some stuff that I knew right off the top of my head that we needed for this car. So if you want to click on it, check it out. It'll be in the description below. And that's going to wrap us up for tonight. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Hi guys, so it's this morning again. Ran to Harbor Freight first thing this morning when we got up. Went and grabbed some clamps. I'm out of Clecos, so got some of these, just these old cheap spring clamps from Harbor Freight. Went and got a bunch of those so I could clamp everything together. And my dad's been working on the rear section of the deck this morning. Pretty much got it done. Got that whole rear, the back half of the car done, which honestly, that's the easy part of the car. From here forwards is always the tricky part. It's the difficult part, in my opinion. So I'm gonna run a couple strings. Strings when you're building the cockpit or the deck area and all that, cockpit even. These little nylon strings are your best friend to help you get lines, help you measure stuff. So I'm gonna get in here and run a couple of lines. I'm gonna clean up just a little bit. There's a lot of them little curly sheet metal snips and things, stepping on them. They're getting stuck in the bottom of our shoes and everything. So I'm gonna clean up for just a second. Probably go ahead and get a sheet of metal laid over on the table. I don't got but about an hour anyways. So once I get done cleaning up and get everything kind of situated, it'll probably be pretty close to quitting time today. But having this section done was big. Like I said, if my goal for this weekend was to have the majority of the deck, or the cockpit for sure done, some of the deck done, and to have the deck halfway done, that's a big step. That's a big accomplishment there. So we're gonna try to, like I said, I'm gonna try to make a piece or two of the front half. Probably won't get me any done, or if any at all. So like I said, we're just gonna take it by ear and see how it plays out, and I'll catch you guys back up here in just a little bit. All right, so since the last time I picked the camera up, we got 2 more pieces built. Got these 2 pieces right over here by the driver's side. So next piece will be right over here where this string is. Maybe you can see it on camera. Right over there will be that piece right above the cockpit to the right, the very first piece. Get that piece done and just start working our way over here. So roughly there's probably 1, 2, hopefully 3 more pieces, and the deck will be finished up, done. I still have to make the dash, which I'm not too concerned about the dash right now. We can do the dash once the car is completely done, and we got all the gauges and the wiring and everything. I'm just worried about getting all this main stuff situated. Once we get that, then I'll be able to pull it all back apart and pull it down to where I can finish welding everything, get everything situated, and got to make the mount for the right front. Got to do a couple just small odd and end things to brace some things up and whatnot. Nothing major. But we're rolling right along. But that's going to finish us up for today. Probably, see, I'm not sure if I'll be back down here tomorrow or not. If I do, it won't be very long. It'll probably be about like today if I do. But got a lot done this weekend so far. So it's looking more and more like a race car, that's for sure. Very excited about it and ready to see what she looks like when it's completely done. So appreciate all you watching. If you hadn't already, head over to Patreon, get signed up over there, get ahead of the game as far as knowing things when things happen and all. If you hadn't yet, check out our Amazon wish list. We have those gauges and the wiring and the battery cables and all that over there if you're interested in that. Until then, we're going to sign off today. Appreciate everybody who helps us out. Warp-Speed Performance Parts, Barry Apparel Co, WJI Enterprise, PPM Racing Products, BB Designs, Gorsuch Performance, Stop Tech Brakes, Penske Racing Shocks, Brinn Transmission. All you guys over here on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, hit that hype button, hype the video, comment down below, and we'll catch you guys in the